So, ayan guys, papunta na kami sa aming room. Which room number?
309.
Okay. Wee! Bravo!
Oh, yep.
Oh my god, this resort is big, eh?
Yeah,
520 rooms, madam.
Wow.
plenty.
Okay, to go to the swimming pool area, you have the lift in this corner, okay?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Because your block is going to be that one.
Mm-hmm.
Lift is here.
Uh-huh, okay. Is there a way to go to the beach from here or?
Yeah, from the south gate.
Uh-huh.
You can go to the beach.
South gate,
10,
yeah.
10 minutes
10
walking.
minutes walk. Okay.
Yeah. The south gate is in the animation area, next to the animation area.
Yeah. 500 rooms, you say?
520, man.
That's a lot, yeah.
Like a town, a small town.
Napakarami nilang room dito. 520 rooms. Ah, so that's it.
Here we go.
Okay.
Wow.
So, ayan na kami. Go up, Aiden. Come on. Good job.
Was green,
Yeah.
now it's okay.
It's okay. Go inside, Aiden.
This one here.
Put this also for the light, I guess. Okay.
No. No, go back. Go open the curtain, my love.
Come, mommy.
Go to mommy. Come on. It's okay, mommy, open the curtain.
So, ayan. Ito yung balcony namin. So, go inside. So, ayan. Pagpasok mo, yun yung bathroom. Tapos, sa left naman, yung living room. May upuan, lamesa, sofa. Merong TV dito. Merong for coffee stuff. I guess this is a small fridge, yes. So, ayan, walang laman. In case you want to put something, like water. Ayan, merong small bed dito. Tapos, ayan yung balcony. It's nice and big. And then, this is the master's bedroom. Sa kanan, pagpasok mo ng entrance. There you go. Wow. Wow. It's okay. It's a huge bed for the three of us. So, ayan yung dito sa master's bedroom namin. And meron din silang pasalamin dito. Merong TV.
Yeah.
Ito, I don't know, cabinet or like working desk. And this, wardrobe. So, okay. May safety box, I guess extra blanket and support, telephone. Yeah, it's really big though. Is that a CPU?
Yeah, you see the sea.
Ayan, yung sa balcony namin, meron siyang sea
What do you mean? It is a sea.
view. No, I'm just like, because of this, I wish she's not here and just pure
Well, then
sea.
you wouldn't see. You still see buildings.
Yeah. So, ayan siya. Bukas siguro try namin magpunta doon. Come, baby. Come here. Remove his bathrobe because it's hot. What is that? We would like to inform you that free swimming pool nappies are available. They are compulsory for children. Haha. Look, you can also do a laundry.
Wait, mommy.
So, ayan guys, magliligpit. So, ayan, mag-ano tayo, unpack. Para, maayos naman yung mga damit. Ayan yung kay Baby Aiden, naayos ko na. Dito ko na lang nilagay sa kanya kasi malili lang naman. Tapos sa amin, ihanger ko. Ayan, nakapagpalit na rin kami ng slippers. And then si Bebe, nakapagpalit na ng short and damit. And, comfy.
So good.
Bali, ayan, kumpleto nga pala kami sa toiletries. Is it toiletries? How you call it?
Yeah.
So, ayan, nag-pack din pala ako ng mga toiletries na ginagamit namin sa bahay. Meron naman sila dito sa hotel, pero Siyempre, bet pa rin namin yung mga gamit namin sa bahay. Ayan, nilagyan ko rin sila ng label. So, yan, for example, face cleanser. Sa akin tong mga to. Tissue, bottle washer of Aiden. Ito naman, body wash ni Baby Aiden. Ito naman yung body lotion ni Baby Aiden. Ito yung body wash namin ni Bebe. Tapos, sunblock ni Baby Aiden. Sunblock ko at ni Bebe. Mga Dios, syempre hindi mawawala. Meron din kaming sariling toothpaste, cream with the 50 SPF para sa akin. And then ito, dehydration cream for me. Tissue. And ito lahat sa akin. Tapos ito yung face cream na medyo natapon. Nakabukas siya. Itutuloy ko lang i-unpack to. Tapos pahinga siguro kami ng kaunti. And then we're gonna go outside. Look at the baby boy. He's so comfortable here. Nanonood siya. Tapos, ayun yung view. Pero tingnan nyo yung itsura niya. Super antok na antok siya. Pagod. So, matutulog kaming lahat. And then, after magsuswimming. You know, enjoyin namin yung holiday, of course. Ilang araw lang to, di ba? Bago na naman bumalik sa trabaho. Sinara ko yung bintana para makatulog si Baby Aiden. Pero plano ko sana siyang paliguan muna. Yan lang. Kita-kits mamaya. Ciao.